Hello friends, in this video we are going to see about the smart art in MS Word. So what is a smart art? It is a graphic through which you can visually communicate any information. So I have one data here that big fish contains the sharks and the whale, and shark is divided into a tuna and the seal, and whale is divided into a plankton. So now what I will do, I will go into the insert tab. In the insert tab there is an illustration. In the illustration you can see a smart art. If you click on the smart art, you can see a multiple options available. Here I will choose the hierarchy and select any of the model whichever you want and just click OK. Once you click on that by default smart art gets inserted. Now what you have to do, you have to put the text inside that smart art. Now big fish I have to put on the top, big fish. Now that big fish is divided into a shark and tuna. Now this portion I don't want in my chart, so I will delete it. Select and delete. Now my big fish contains two types only, the shark and the whale, but it contains three types, so I will select it and delete it. Now I will insert the text over here like shark, and for this whale. Now again I want to insert the tuna and the seals, and for whale I want to insert plankton. Now what I have to do, when you insert any smart chart art, then the smart art tool gets open which contains design and the format. In design section you can add a number of shape in your smart art. Just select where you want to and add a shape. Now this shape added in the current line, but I want to demote it because it is a sub part of my shark. So what I will do, there is a demote option is there, just select it. It will decrease your level. So if you promote it, it will come again over here, but I want the sub part of shark, then that's why I'm demoting it. Just demote it and write the name over there, tuna. Then again I want to insert the shape, just add and write here seeds like this. Next thing I want to insert the sub part for the wells. Then again add shape and demote that, and it will get demoted, and write there plankton. So in this way you can create a visually communicable information just by using a smart art. So this thing you can do with the help of design section. If you want to convert it into another format, you can also convert it after creating also. Next thing what you can do by using a design tool is you can change the color of your smart art. You can also change the layout. You can also make it right left, and from the format tab you can change the border like this, or you can fill that shape with any color of your choice, and you can also add the text effect to it. So this all things are done in the format section, and in design section you can add the number of levels over here. So that is the use of smart chart. One more example we will see. There is a data available over here. For that I will insert one smart art. Click on the smart art. If I select a cycle and click on any cycle whichever you want, just click over there and OK, and it will get added over here. Now you can see here I have added egg. Next one is the, I will copy from here and paste over here. Then I will copy from here and paste over here. Next thing again I will copy and paste. Now this part I don't want, I will select it and delete it. select it and delete it. In this way, extra blocks I can remove. And if you want to increase the block, you can add the shapes. If you click over there, add shape after, you can click like this. And if you want to demote it, you can also demote it like this. In this way, you can create a multiple types of smart art just by going in the insert option, click on the smart and select whichever pattern you want. If you want pyramid, you can select pyramid, matrix, relationships, hierarchy, cycle, process, list. So whichever data you have, according to that you have to select the smart art graphic. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.